Welcome back, guys. This is question 5.59 and the statement of this question is: suppose the probability that any given person will believe a tale about the transgressions of a famous actress is 0.8. What is the probability that part A of it is the sixth person to hear this tale is the fourth one to believe it, and B, the third person to hear this tale is the first one to believe it. Okay, so in solving these type of questions, what do we have to do? First of all, we have to recognize that which probability distribution we should have to use. So in part A, it can be very clearly seen that this is the problem of the negative binomial distribution. Why? Because here we have different successes or different events has taken place, and one of that event has been fixed over some position, such like the sixth person is the fourth one. Okay, so this is the negative binomial distribution. This last one here, which is part B, is the third person to hear this tale is the first one to believe, means the third person will be the first one who will believe. So that's why the event or trials has to be done unless and until we have get the first person. So that is what this is, basically the geometric probability distribution. Okay, so you have to keep it in your mind. Given data, the given data here we have is the probability that a person will believe is 0.8. so he doesn't believe will be Q, and that is 1 minus 0.8, which is 0.2. Okay, so this is what we have. Now let me solve part A of my question. What do we have to do? Let us again have this hypothetical diagram, okay, in which we have 6 slots, okay, 1, and these are basically 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and here we have, this is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay, here this is the fourth person here who will get what, who will believe it. So this is the fourth person who has the probability of 0.8. okay, so this probability is fixed and these persons are fixed. Okay, all other three, this is the fourth one, so the 3 remaining will be here, and also 2 remaining which doesn't believe are also here. Okay, so there can be any combination of them. Okay, so therefore it is 0.8. okay, so all other, any 2 of them will be here, 3 of them will be here, so these 3 of them will be 0.8 multiplied by 0.8 multiplied by 0.8, which will be 0.8 cube, and these other 2s will be the person who wouldn't believe, so it would be 0.2 whole square. Okay, so these are here, but this is for only one combination. If you want to find out the other combinations of these 5, we have to choose from these 5, what we have to choose 3 which are what, which believe all these things. Okay, so let me make it more concise. So it will be 5 factorial divided by the 3 factorial multiplied by 5 minus 3 is 2 factorial. Okay, multiplying it with 0.2 whole square, and also this one which is 0.8 raised to power 4. So this is what, this is the solution of part A of my question. Okay, so you have understood that this is the negative binomial distribution. In part B of my question, let me solve it here. The third person to hear this tale is the first one to believe. Let me again here this hypothetical diagram. This is 1 2 and 3. This is first, second, third. Okay, the first 2 person would not believe, so therefore the probability of it would be 0.2 multiplied by 0.2, and the last person would believe, so it would be 0.8, so it would be 0.2 whole square multiplied by 0.8, and that is what, that is basically the solution of part B of my question. Okay, so that's it for today, in which we have seen that how to recognize that certain probability question is of negative binomial distribution problem or geometric probability distribution problem. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. See you soon.